Hi, welcome to my channel Maths 1, where we learn concepts of mathematics in easy and simple way. The topic is plotting a point if the coordinates are given. So let's try to take two examples and let's try to follow these steps and then plot these points on the Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. तो दो एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Point P, which is 3 and 4, we need to plot that on the Cartesian plane, and then we have example of point Q, -2 and -3, we are going to plot that on the Cartesian plane. So let's look at these steps we need to follow to plot these points. और एक बार हम लोग सीख जाएंगे how to plot these points, तो हम लोग examples भी लेंगे. This is very easy, which we have seen, but let's go through that to understand that in detail. So let's first take example of point 3, 4, which is point P. First step, let's look at the x coordinate or abscissa of the point. Here it is +3. We go to the point origin, and then on the x-axis we go 3 units from here, 1, 2, 3. Now this is positive, so we go in the positive direction. We mark this point, and just for understanding, let's mark that as A. So this is abscissa or x coordinate for point P. Always step number 1, look for abscissa, mark that point on x-axis. Then look at the ordinate, which is y coordinate. So this is 4. Make a line which is perpendicular to x-axis. In this case, let's mark it here. And look at the length. So length is 4. Since this is positive direction, that's why we have marked this or made this line in positive direction of y-axis. So we come to this place which is in front of 4. Here is the location of point P, which is 3, 4. Easy? Let's look at another example. Q. Coordinates of this point Q are -2 and -3. So how should we go? First step, let's look at the x coordinate, all right, or abscissa. It is -2. Negative direction on x-axis. Negative direction on x-axis, we go to origin, we go to left hand side. How much is it? -2. 1, 2. यहाँ पर हम लोग एक point plot करेंगे. Let's name that as B. Now first step is done. Second step is look at y coordinate. It is -3, which is negative. So we go to negative direction in y-axis, and it is -3. We make a line which is perpendicular, and see, this is perpendicular more or less, and then we go to 1, 2, 3 here. So this will be point Q, which is -2, -3. So that's how we plot a point where the coordinates are given. So this one is example number 3, which is given on page number 62 on NCERT book. We need to plot the points 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, -3, 5, -3, -5, 5, -3, and 6, -1. So these are the number of points we need to plot. We'll go through the same process, and then step by step we are going to plot these points. Let's look at the first one, 5, 0. X coordinate is 5 plus 5. You remember, we go to positive direction on x axis, 5, and then y coordinate is given as 0. So this point is here. This is 5, 0. Let's look at the second point, which is 0, 5. In case of 0, it is over here. On x axis it's 0, so we don't go anywhere, 0. And then on y coordinate it is 5, so we go in positive direction and we go here. So this is 0, 5. Let's look at the third point, 2 and 5. X coordinate is 2, so from origin we go to positive direction and we reach here. And then for y coordinate we have 5, so from here we go up perpendicular to x-axis till 5, so we reach here. This is 2 and 5. So if you see, we look at the x coordinate, we go there on x axis, whether it is positive or negative direction, and then we go perpendicular either towards up for positive direction on y axis or negative direction of y axis. Let's look at next one, 5, 2. First, we go on x-axis, positive direction 5. Then we need to look at y-axis, which is plus 2. So we go up and we mark it here. This is 5, 2. Now we look at minus 3, minus 5. X coordinate is minus 3. So from origin we go to left, which is left negative direction, 1, 2, 3, minus 3 is here, and then we go to 5. So 5 is positive direction for y, so we go up and here. So this is minus 3 and 5. We go to next one, it is minus 3, minus 5. For x-axis, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and then for y it is negative 5. So we go in negative direction for y-axis and we go down and we reach over here. It's minus 3, minus 5. All right. Next one, 5, minus 3. X coordinate, we go from origin to positive side, which is 5, we reach here. Then where we need to go? Y coordinate is minus 3, so we need to go down, negative direction of y, and we go here, and here is where we are going to find 5, minus 3. Last one on this example, 6, 1. So 6, x coordinate is 6. So first we reach this x coordinate, which is 6, positive 6, and then it is 1. So we go up positive direction of y-axis and we locate it somewhere here. This point is 6, 1. So this completes our example number 3 on page 62. So let's look at another example. It's example number 4, which is given on page number 63 in NCERT book. So essentially what we are given these points, which are ordered pair of x and corresponding value of y in this tabular form. हम लोग को याद रखना है, हम लोग को एक पॉइंट लोकेट करने के लिए सिर्फ x और y की वैल्यू की ज़रूरत है. Remember, in coordinate geometry, we need two independent information to locate a point. Whether we are given that as x comma y or we are given in a tabular format, it doesn't matter. हमारे पास सिर्फ ये दो information होना चाहिए, what is x axis, what is y axis, and we can plot a point. In this case, point number 1 will be this, 2 will be 0 and 3.5, and so on. For each point we have x and y, both the values, so we can plot these points. Let's look at it. First one is minus 3 and 7. Again, we'll follow the process. Step number 1, let's locate the x-axis or x-coordinate. So x is minus 3. So we go on origin, go to negative direction, which is here, and then we go to what is y-coordinate, it's 7. So we go up from here, 5 and 7. So somewhere here. This is minus 3 and 7. This is the point. We look at the next point, which is 0 and 3.5. So on x-axis, we go to origin, it is 0, so we'll stay here. It's 3.5. Y coordinate is minus 3.5. So we go in negative direction, 1, 2, 3, and somewhere between 3 and 4, we find our coordinate. This is 0, minus 3.5. We go to the third one, minus 1, minus 3. Follow the same. Minus 1, we first look at the x coordinate, minus 1, we reach here. Then for y coordinate, it is minus 3, so we go down, 1, 2, 3, we come here, and this point is minus 1, minus 3. Next point, 4 and 4. So first process, we find out x coordinate, we go into this direction, we reach here. Then y coordinate is positive 4, we go in positive direction, and we come over here. This point is 4, 4. Final point in this example, 2, minus 3. 2, x coordinate, we go in positive direction, here we reach, and then it is minus 3. So we go down from here, and somewhere here we can plot our point. It is 2, minus 3. And we have plotted all our points. We are going to look at the exercise 3.3 on page number 65. So these are unsolved questions. हम लोग ये question solve करेंगे and we'll understand it much better. So this is question number 1 in exercise 3.3. Basically there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are given, and the question is in which quadrant or on which axis will these points lie. Easiest way to do this, let's plot these points and find out on which quadrant or which axis these points are going to lie. So let's start with the first one, -2 and 4. So plotting it, -2 we come over here and 4 is positive, so we go here. It's -2 and 4. Which quadrant it is? Again, looking at the quadrant definition or the way we name it, positive x direction, positive y direction. In this quadrant, this is quadrant 1, first quadrant. Then we go anti-clockwise from here. So this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this one is the fourth one. So point number 1, where does it lie? Quadrant 2. Answer is quadrant 2. Let's look at second point, 3 minus 1. 3 and minus 1. 3 minus 1. Where do we have it? Fourth quadrant. Quadrant 4th. Let's look at next point, -1, 0. X-axis we go in negative direction, -1 and 0. So we don't need to go anywhere up or down. So this is here, which is -1 and 0. What is this? X-axis. So this is X-axis. Let's look at next point, 1, 2. 1, 2. So this is 1, 2. This lies in quadrant 1. That's the answer, quadrant 1. Let's look at the last point in this question, -3, -5. We go to 1, 2, 3, -3, and then we go down to -5. This is the point, -3, -5. Which quadrant it is? Third. So quadrant third is the answer. So now let's look at question number 2 in exercise 3.3, which is given on page number 65. So here we are given the values of x and y's in the table form, and the question is that we need to plot these points. अब क्वेश्चन और पॉइंट प्लॉट करने के लिए हमें सिर्फ वैल्यू चाहिए x और y की. डज इट मैटर कि हम लोग को वो x, y ब्रैकेट में दे या टेबल में? नहीं. तो हमारे पास x और y की वैल्यू है, हम लोग प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. To start with, we need to create this Cartesian plane. We need to create x-axis, y-axis. The scale we can take for 1 unit, it is 1 centimeter. So once we have this Cartesian plane, let's look at the points and plot that on the Cartesian plane. Pehla point, -2 and 8. So we go -2 on x-axis, minus negative direction, and then we go all the way to 6, 7, 8 here. So this is -2 and 8. All right. We look at next point, -1 and 7. -1 and 7. So we go again here, and it's -1 and 7. This is the point. Third point is 0 minus 1.25. 0, it will lie on the y-axis, and then we go negative 1.25. So little bit far away from 1, which is -1. So it is 0 minus 1.25. Here it is. We go to the next point, which is fourth point, 1 and 3. Positive 1, and then we go to positive direction, which is 3, 1, 2, 3. We plot it here. It is 1 and 3. The final point we have in the question to locate is 3 minus 1. So we go 3, positive 1, 2, 3, and then -1 is we go down here, and here we can plot 3 minus 1. So in this way we can plot all these points, and this concludes our question number 2 for exercise 3.3.